right, give it back, left, left, left,
I want my
right,
lip gloss.
give it back to Michelle, left. Alright, enough of the left-right marching. Mary Kay wanted a place for women to work
So
where they
wait,
would be
so what
made
about the
of
left, right?
Hold on, wait. Where women would be rewarded for their hard work, where everyone could earn diamond prizes, new cards left and right. A place where women could keep their priorities right, faith first, family second, and career third. And a business where people would treat each other the right way. Patterned after the golden rule, do unto others as you have them do unto you. She also wanted a company where no one would be left behind and everyone had the same opportunity to climb right.
Oh, right.
Get to the end of the story, right? Left.
She knew if it was left up to her, she could and would do it right. So she started right away with Mary Kay Cosmetics. 45 years later, Mary Kay Cosmetics is still heading in the right direction. Over 1 million consultants worldwide have joined their right hands with Mary Kay. Some have left traditional jobs, many have stayed right at work at their present job and started a Mary Kay business on the side. In Mary Kay, you do what's right for you, as long as it's after right.
She's like, what did you say?
Feeling left
You better give me my lip.
and left behind.
You better give me my
Priorities, not right.
Give me my fucking lipstick.
Consider Mary Kay. It may be right for you.
Michelle, I want my lipstick.
Right?
Right?
Right.
Oh, right.
Sorry, she couldn't put it up.